Enamine was founded in 1991 with the advent of high-throughput screening in early drug discovery. Nowadays, the company has extensive experience in synthetic chemistry and has accumulated the world's largest stock of commercial compounds for laboratory use and discovery of new pharmaceuticals. Enamine is a leading global provider of screening compounds and building blocks. It also offers comprehensive services in custom synthesis, lead optimization, biological screening, and molecular modeling for pharmaceutical, biotechnology, and academic customers located around the world.
Our company is committed to providing life science industries with intelligent chemistry solutions to support their efforts in discovery of biologically active molecules.
Enamine employs a team of over 500 research scientists, technical support, and customer service staff.
We work in contemporary laboratory well equipped for the synthesis of individual compounds, many of which are novel building blocks. My team has hands-on experience in various chemistry fields and can solve complex synthetic problems.
Some synthetic groups have deeper knowledge in specific synthetic protocols, allowing them to carry out advanced reactions, such as direct fluorination, ozonolysis, high-pressure hydrogenation, and so on.
I'm the head of the high-pressure synthesis lab, and we have over 40 pressure reactors ranging in volume from 50 to 5,000 milliliters. Most often we perform reduction, amination, and arylation reactions.
Sometimes the synthetic protocol requires better control over the synthetic transformation depth, and in these cases, flow reactors are indispensable.
In our scale-up laboratory, we operate large volume reactors and other labware to handle scale-up synthesis. For example, the Huber thermostats provide a wide working temperature range from -80 to +150 degrees Celsius. The laboratory conducts various liquid chemistry reactions and is able to manufacture more than 50 kilograms of products per month.
Among the high-tech equipment used in our laboratories are microwave reactors. Instruments are equipped with a robotic system that permits automatic running of 24 small-scale reactions. Besides building blocks production, Enamine is well known for its parallel synthesis expertise. The 2 million screening compounds represented in our stock were mostly produced in-house. Procedures covering almost 100 reactions were optimized to be used for one-pot parallel synthesis. The manufacturing capability of the department exceeds 20,000 individual compounds per month, yielded on a multi-milligram scale.
All Enamine products, as well as the initial compounds and intermediates, received on different stages of synthesis by strict and multi-level quality control. We use such techniques as NMR, HPLC, and the GCMS to ensure the purity of the compounds.
Every day we take up 2,500 proton NMR spectra and more than 30 carbon and fluorine spectra. They are taken using Varian 400 MHz and Rokів 500 MHz instruments.
We've developed special procedures to achieve high throughput with standard equipment. Our operators work in shifts to deliver results faster and utilize our instruments as efficiently as possible. We also perform two-dimensional NMR experiments when these data are required for unambiguous structure verification.
Our laboratory is equipped with 5 Agilent LC-MS and 2 Agilent GC-MS instruments. For detection, we use mass-selective, dietary, and evaporative light scattering detectors. The laboratory operates 24 hours a day, 7 days a week. Thanks to automated sampling, it is possible to conduct more than 2,000 analyses per day without permanent presence of employees.
For all solids, we also determine the melting point. For optically active compounds, we measure specific rotation and optical purity. We also do elemental analysis and Carl Fisher water content determination.
All analytical data for the analyzed batches are collected in our CRM ERP system. After all needed analyses are completed, the managers of the QC department look through the data and make a conclusion on the purity of the batch. This information is stored with the batch until the next examination date. If the product's purity is lower than standard specification, the product is passed for purification to the preparative chromatography department.
Our preparative chromatography unit uses various techniques to meet the needs of our chemists. It has 29 low-pressure combi systems with loading capacity of 100 mg to 20 grams, 3 Buchy systems with operating pressure up to 50 bars and loading capacity ranging from 20 to 500 grams. For smaller samples, we have 4 Agilent HPLC-MS instruments with loading capacity of 50 to 150 mg, and they are equipped with reversed phased columns. Monthly productivity of the mentioned systems varies from 40 to 4,500 compounds. Our unit also performs thin layer chromatographic purification on 1 to 400 mg scale with monthly productivity of over 10,000 compounds.
The building block warehouse contains 100,000 compounds, stored in accordance with the specifications set by the quality control department and accessible through our data management system.
Every day we pack up to 300 ordered building blocks. Every action in the weighing lab is recorded to the ERP system so it can be traced later if needed. Our labels and all the documentation meet GHS recommendations. A separate warehouse is used to store screening compounds. It contains up to 2 million dry compounds and 300,000 compounds as DMSO solutions as of early 2015. Qualified operators can weigh up to 12,000 screening samples daily.
We can make solutions of 3,000 compounds in given concentration daily and pack 15,000 pre-dissolved substances. They can be supplied as dry films or solutions.
Our expert logistics ships over 100 consignments daily, which contain hundreds and sometimes thousands of compounds.
All the manipulations with packed bottles, boxes and consignments are recorded into our CRM ERP system, thus enabling easy tracking of events and providing information about the status of the orders at enaminestore.com.
Around 75% of ordered compounds are shipped the same day the order is received. The rest is mainly shipped the next day. The delay is usually due to additional quality and safety-related information checks. The top-selling products are available from local stocks in the USA, Europe, Japan, and China for rapid delivery.
Our cooperative database integrates all the services in the company and provides an efficient tool to manage the orders. Our sales managers receive feedback from the labs directly in the database so that they can immediately report on the synthesis progress. Besides offering you building blocks from our own catalog, which is already the world's largest, we can source for you building blocks from other suppliers.
Purchasing department has been tasked with supplying raw reagents to our chemists for many years. We have gained much experience in this, refined procurement, automation, and established a network of over 100 reliable suppliers. Each year we procure over 2,500 different reagents from all over the world in batches ranging from milligrams to tons. Our progress in developing a stable supply chain and commitment to serve our customers ensure a competitive level of prices and quality.
Another competitive advantage of Enamine is strong cheminformatics team. They created our original product, the real database, containing millions of highly refined feasible structures. Besides this, The team routinely makes diversity selections, clustering of compound libraries, scaffold hopping for our clients. The group of software developers at Enamine assures continual improvement of our IT services. Our clients can benefit from additional level of customization and integration, which can be achieved fast with the help of this group. We can positively respond to requests for non-standard labels, various supporting documentation standards, data exchange formats, access to our live inventory data, and so forth.
Enamine offers to its customers early preclinical and drug discovery support under the trademark of Bienta. These services include biomolecular screening and bioanalytical support, including ADME toxicity tests, pharmacokinetics, and toxicity studies in animals. Our molecular modeling group conducts computational simulations of interaction between small molecule compounds and biomolecular systems. These include, for instance, molecular docking procedures, as well as pharmacophore modeling and pharmacophore search. Biomolecular screening unit does both biochemical and cell-based screening, while our bioanalytical laboratory provides ADME support of the screening and medicinal chemistry projects. A protein expression unit is responsible for expressing and purifying recombinant proteins to support HTS campaigns. Animal pharmacokinetics studies in rodents are also among the services we provide. Rapid access to the vast collection of screening compounds and cooperation with Enamine's medicinal chemists positively influence the performance of our department.
Having started as a small group of scientists synthesizing screening samples, Enamine has evolved in its 20-year history as a global leading supplier of building block and screening libraries. We are proud to have realized our great scientific potential and to significantly contribute with our innovative products for the search of new therapeutic entities, saving patients' lives and improving quality of our life.